Hi, welcome back our channel. If you are having kidney disease, you must watch this video carefully, because I some natural kidney disease. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal teas, exploring 6 fantastic options that can contribute to kidney health, and incorporating herbal teas into your routine can be natural and soothing way to support kidney function. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Number 1, Dandelion Tea. Our first pick is the humble yet powerful dandelion root tea, packed with antioxidants. Dandelion root may support kidney function by aiding in detoxification and reducing inflammation. Plus, it's an easy addition to your daily routine. Dandelion tea is derived from the roots or leaves of the common dandelion plant. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for various health benefits. Benefit: provides antioxidants. You've probably heard a lot about antioxidants and how good they are for you and your health. Manages blood sugar. Studies have shown that dandelion tea may affect the regulation of lipid. How to prepare: warm up teapot. Bring water to a boil on the stovetop or in an electric kettle. Pour a bit of hot water around in your teapot to warm it up. Discard the water. Prepare tea. Add the dandelion flowers to the teapot. Pour hot water over tea flowers. Fit the lid onto the teapot and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2, Nettle Leaf Tea. Nettle tea is an herbal tea made from the leaves of the nettle plant. Scientifically, nettle is a common plant found in many parts of the world and long various medicinal purposes. The tea is typically made by steeping dried nettle leaves in hot water, extracting the beneficial compounds and flavors. Benefit: nettle has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes nettle tea potentially beneficial for conditions involving inflammation, as arthritis. Nettle tea is known for its diuretic effects, meaning it can promote urine production. This diuretic action may help flush out toxins and excess fluids from the body, supporting kidney function. How to prepare: if using dried nettle leaves, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup of tea. Place the nettle leaves in a teapot, tea infuser, or directly into your cup. Pour the hot water over the nettle leaves. Let the nettle leaves steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Number 3, Ginger Tea. Ginger tea is a flavorful and aromatic beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries, and it may offer several potential health benefits, including support for kidney health. Here's how ginger tea may contribute to kidney health and a simple recipe for making it. Benefit: chronic inflammation may contribute to kidney damage, and reducing inflammation could potentially support overall kidney health. Antioxidants may play a role in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress. Ginger may have blood pressure lowering effects, which can be beneficial for kidney health. How to prepare: bring 1 to 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot or kettle. Allow the tea leaves to steep in the ginger-infused water for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Number 4, Parsley Tea. Beyond being a garnish, parsley is a natural diuretic that may help prevent kidney stones and support optimal kidney function. Enjoy a cup of parsley tea for a refreshing and health-boosting experience. Benefit: parsley contains antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which help neutralize free radicals the body. Some compounds found in parsley may have anti-inflammatory effects. How to prepare: add 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley into tea mesh strainer or infuser ball and place in cup. Pour boiling hot water on top. Let steep for 5 minutes. Remove strainer and drink. Pour boiling hot water on top. Number 5, Hibiscus Tea. It's not only a vibrant and tasty option but also believed to have potential benefits for kidney health. Studies suggest that hibiscus may help lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Benefit: hibiscus tea is often touted for its potential health benefits, including those related to kidney health. Chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney disease. How to prepare: bring 1 cup of water to a boil. You can use a kettle or a pot on the stove. Pour the boiling water over the hibiscus petals or tea bag. Allow the hibiscus to steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which may have protective effects on the kidneys. It's a delicious and widely accessible option for supporting your overall kidney function. Benefit: high blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease. Elevated cholesterol levels can be a risk factor for kidney disease. Some compounds in green tea may help reduce the formation of kidney stones. How to prepare green tea leaves or green tea bags. Bring fresh, cold water to a boil. It's recommended to use filtered water for the best flavor. Water temperature is crucial for green tea. It should be around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 to 82 degrees Celsius. Place the tea leaves or tea bag in a teapot or your cup. Let the tea steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. Thanks for watching this video.